Welcome everyone. Today I'll be solving question number 51 of the 2017 GATE Biotechnology paper. The question is that eco-R1 restriction sites on a 10 kb DNA fragment are shown below. Upon partial digestion, what are the length in kb of all the possible DNA fragments obtained? And there are 4 options given to you. So in this case, what partial digestion means is, in contrast to a complete digestion, where the digestion will take place in all the restriction sites so that you get all the bands. Partial digestion means that in this DNA, maybe all of the digestions happen, or maybe just a few of the digestions happen. Okay. So let's see how to solve this question. In the case of partial digestion, you have many options. So the first option is that in a few DNA fragments of 10 kb, all the restriction sites will be cut. That means this, all of them will have been cut. So in that case, where all have been cut, you get a fragment of 2 kb, another one of 2 kb, one of 3 kb, and another one of 3 kb. In fragments where there is only one cut, any one of these restriction sites can be cut. In that case, you can have either a 2 kb fragment, in this case, if this was the restriction site that was cut, and a 8 kb fragment. In a few, the second restriction site will be the one which is cut. So you get a 4 kb fragment and a 6 kb fragment. In a few, the third restriction site is what will be cut. So you get a 7 kb fragment and a 3 kb fragment. In cases or in fragments where there are 2 cuts, you can end up with the 2 cuts being the first 2 restriction sites, a 2 kb fragment, another 2 kb fragment, and a 6 kb fragment. If the cut happens at the first and the third site, you get a 2 kb fragment, a 5 kb fragment, and a 3 kb fragment. In case the cut happens at the second restriction site and the third restriction site, you get a 4 kb fragment, a 3 kb fragment, and a 3 kb fragment. In case no cut happens, which might be the case where there is partial digestion, you get a complete 10 kb fragment. So once you run this on the gel, you will see many bands. So from this, we can see a 2 kb band will be formed, a 3 kb band will be formed, a 4 kb band will be formed, a 5 kb band will be formed, a 6 kb band will be formed, a 7 kb band will be formed, a 8 kb band will be formed, and a 10 kb band will be formed. So apart from 9 and 1, all the numbers from 1 to 10 are there, right? So let's see the options given to us. Option D is therefore not correct. Option C is also not correct. Option B is also not correct. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So option A is the correct one. So you will get the length of fragments as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 kb when you run it on a gel. So that's it for this question. I hope that was easy for you to understand. Thank you so much for listening.